Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, on the US dollar Canadian, I still think that this is very likely an uptrend, probably a wave A. I still think this needs to make an A, B, C, a B, and then eventually go back up for the wave C. So, that would be an A, a B, and a wave C, which is either a wave B or a wave 2, I believe. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a possible downtrend wave A. I still think this move up is a possible correction wave B. Now maybe we will make another attempt on the highs. Maybe it will even try to go up to take out the previous high. But I mean, right now it still looks like we possibly may have a top in, and possibly this may now be going down for a wave C of wave B to form that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I still think that there's a good chance this could eventually go down a break structure. To me, it still looks like possibly a wave 1. It still looks like an irregular ABC, possibly a 2. Now, it kind of looks like this move down is pretty corrective. Maybe it could try to make another attempt on the highs, like I said. But even if it does, it might just go up and retest these highs and then continue the downtrend from there. I still expect to see a wave 3 of wave C in the near future. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it kind of looks like this is more of a correction than a trend. Kind of looks like impulsive down and corrective up and impulsive down. If this does continue to hold to the upside, it might be an entry to go long. It might even take it all the way back up to these previous highs. I still think there's a good chance this could be a 1, possibly an ABC of 2, and possibly go down for a wave 3. So definitely keeping an eye out for that. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I do see that we are trying to break structure. If it does hold above structure today, then it possibly could be the beginning of a pretty decent rally to the upside. On the other hand, if it actually goes up and rejects one of these structures and makes a big push down, then it might actually be a sign that the market's continuing down. Now, I'm definitely leaning towards up. I technically, because it has a broken structure to the downside on the daily time frame, am looking for longs. I think there's a pretty good chance that this could continue the uptrend, maybe back up to these previous highs. Maybe it's a wave C of wave 2, and once that's over, I think there's still a pretty good chance that we could go down for a big wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.